This is going to be a 1-minute video on how to set up turtle mode on your BeeBrainPro. First thing you want to make sure is aux1 is set up, and then your aux3 is what I'm going to use for my turtle mode, so you want to make sure that's set up here in the receiver tab. Then we're going to go over to the modes tab, check aux1 for my arming, make sure that's in the position I want it to be. Scroll down to aux3, or sorry, turtle mode, and I have it set to aux3. Make sure that's in a position I want it to be. If I need to, I can move the slider over to the left or to the right, make sure it's in the arming range that I want it to be. Then we're going to go ahead and save that. Then we'll click back over to the receiver tab, and I will show you the sequence. It's going to be aux3 first to set turtle mode, then aux1 is going to be to arm, so you can flip over. Then you go ahead and if you need to roll or pitch, you can do that. Then go ahead and disarm, and then you're going to take off your turtle mode switch, and then you rearm, and you're good to go. So again, turtle mode first on aux3, aux1 for arm, flip-flop, go ahead and disarm, remove turtle mode, rearm, and you are good to go. And that's how to do turtle mode in less than a minute.